Hi guys, for today's edition of What the Heck is Going On in My Life, we're going to organize my backpack really quick because I just went to get something and everything dumped out in here, so we're just going to organize. I do this every once in a while. I'll go to get something and I'll just feel like my life is in shambles and I just need to dump my backpack out on my desk and organize it real quick. So I have 5 minutes before the bell rings, so let's do this. Oh, jeez. This is what I actually I just let it all go on my desk. And you guys might be like, oh, it's actually not that messy. No, I guess it's actually not, but when I just will throw my makeup in my bag in the morning because sometimes I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna do my makeup when I get to work in the morning. It doesn't happen, obviously here. This is a really good angle. So yeah, and I'll just throw gum wrappers in here, and because that's life, So today, so what I had wanted to do this week with the classes was something on their argumentative writing, because the 7th grade I think is in the middle of argumentative writing right now, and 8th grade is not, but they're getting there. They'll be there in 2.7 seconds. So I was going to start argumentative writing, and argumentative writing is always good because the kids always need help with that. However, this week was kind of weird because Joe had to take off for a personal day, so I had to go over to the high school on Wednesday. We had Monday off, Tuesday I was at the middle school, Wednesday I went over to the high school, and then today, Thursday, I'm at the middle school. So I was gonna miss one of my classes, so instead of trying to sub out a lesson and whatever, I was forget about it, we're just gonna not do a lesson. So I came on Tuesday, did all my just had the class in, they just did all their books and stuff, and then when I got to work today, I was like, wait a minute, I've seen teachers do this check-in with their classes, and they give their class this piece of paper that says, I wish my teacher knew, and then just has some blank space for them to write, and the kids can write not whatever they want, but the kids can go however deep or meaningful or however surface level they want with it. So you can the kids are basically just letting you know what's going on in their life at the moment and how they're feeling. It's just kind of an anonymous check-in. All of this is just anonymous. The kids don't write their name on it. So it can be things I wish my teacher knew that I just got adopted, or I wish my teacher knew that I really liked when she uses unicorns as her examples. Just whatever your students want you to know. And I kind of like that as just an easy check-in. It also is a good opportunity. So Ohio has their SEL standards, their social emotional learning standards now, so it's a good opportunity for that to happen. You can talk to them about talking about feelings, and it's a good safe space for them to do that, because it's completely anonymous, so they don't have to worry about you even knowing that it was them. So it's just an easy way to share. So anyway, this isn't for me, this is for the classroom teacher. So I'm telling the kids here's this paper, you can choose to do it if you want. I'm making it optional for them just because it is really quick, and I don't really have time to do a lesson with it, so I'm not making it. Oh shoot, this is a kid, he had a question. I can't make it meaningful. Not that I can't make it meaningful, but I can't dive crazy deep with it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today with the kids. So far it's going okay. Some of the kids are not taking it seriously, and they're just being the drip on my shoes is mad, or whatever they say. I don't know. And whatever. And some of them are being serious with it. So I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.
Hello everybody, it's my first sick day. decided to take a sick day today because I caught whatever's going around my school right now. And usually I would just power through it, but I'm deciding to be an actual adult about things and to actually rest and try to get better. Oh, excuse me. I've just been feeling like garbage the entire week, and I thought it was like this new medicine that I've been on, but I think it was me actually just getting sick, and that made me like push myself harder than I probably should have, and probably than I would have if I had even thought I was getting sick. So here we are. So right now, I've just been like letting myself. I've actually been up since. I've actually been up since about 6 o'clock this morning. I got up to feed Frankie, and I don't think I did. I go back to sleep. I have no idea. Maybe I did. Either way, I've been up for at least a couple of hours just on TikTok. It's so embarrassing. But I've been just scrolling on TikTok. Some of them are very funny. But yeah, so now I like this. That's how I'm trying to, oh my god, it's so embarrassing to admit, but that's how I'm trying to make myself feel better. Listen, so now I think I'm gonna try and get up and go to the store and get some soup and some sherbet and some Sprite because my throat is just killing. And like I start coughing, and it's like one of those it's like a dry cough, so it kills to cough. Like it's not even a productive cough. So yeah, I think we might have some cough medicine, so I think I'm good on that front. Just the thought of even getting out of bed is exhausting. Maybe I'll take a shower. That might help before I go. Maybe I'll take a nap before I go. Such a bad idea. Anyway, I hope you guys aren't getting sick because this sucks so bad. And I am really glad I am really glad I took the day off. A, I don't want to spread this to any more people. B, I just want to get better. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.